The time had finally come for my 1983 Chevy C10 to be back on the road. I missed this truck. Let's get this suspension done and let's get on this road.
Guys, so here we are. We got the control arms on, we got the springs on, we got everything pretty much just one coat of paint, nothing crazy. We're finna get ready to get these spindles on. Y'all stay tuned, we finna hit the road in this thing today. All right, checking back in, we got 2 new caps, we got 2 rear bearings, we got 2 front bearings, brand new, we got 2 seals, we got 2 of the nuts and bolts kit with the washer and everything in it. And we got some new grease. We finna pack these bearings. We finna get them in the rotors. I'll show y'all some. I'll show y'all me doing one, but that's gonna be it. I'm trying to get this thing together. We're gonna try to get y'all a corner or 2 in this thing today, man.
All right, man. So right here, I'm coming around with some grease. Typically the same brand as the grease, man. I just want to go around in there because it was a little dirty in there. So right here, man, you take your lot of grease and you just take it, put it in a glove. And you want to take that bearing just like this and go around it, and you want to pack that grease into that bearing. There's a little groove in there that y'all can see, and once that grease start coming out the top of that bearing all the way around it, man, you should be good to go. Alright, man, so once you get that finished, you put your bearing inside there and you put your seal on the back side. Once you get that seal in there, man, you can need a hammer, or they do sell the right kit to put them in there, but I use a hammer. So you like to tap it in, man. It's a lot tight to get it in there, so it's gonna took me a few tries, but once you get that seal flush in there, man, you should be good to go.
All right, so my idea to do red in here wasn't all bad. I'm finna show y'all. All right, man, so here we go. As y'all can see, looking pretty good in there. Got the hood up so you can really see it. Got the new shock in there. Got the red control arms on. Ignore the rusty rotor. Ignore it for now. But look, it looks super good in here, man. It's all, this side is almost buttoned up. The other side still has to be put together. But I just figured I would at least show y'all this side, man. It looks really, really good. I'm thinking the truck is gonna ride 10, 15 times better, man. So, like I said, man, y'all stay tuned for the ride, man. As you can see, we are now in the house, right? We're ordering parts because I got the wrong rotors. There's some rotors I bought months back. Long story short, they ain't the right rotors. They sell 2 different rotors for those 83 C10s. It's like a 4.6 something and a 4.9 something. I got the 4.9s. They too thick, so we're in the house. We just ordered rotors, so now we wait. New rotors are in, finna get these things on, man, so we can get this truck out of here. Y'all stay tuned. And I know what you're thinking. Why am I on the computer again? Well, the new rotors came in. The bearing for the back did not fit. So, I just ordered some bearings for the back. We playing the waiting game again. So, once they get here, we'll go back and get those installed, man. Alright, man, so the parts I ordered came in. I got them back on. As y'all can see my hand, I got the new bearings in the rotors. I got the new rotors. I got everything ordered, everything good. All I have to do is I have to get my wife to help me lead the brakes, because I put new brake lines on it and all my brake fluid came out. As you know, it's possible to do it by yourself, but I can't do it by myself. I don't have any kind of tools or anything to hold the brake for me. So, and I'm gonna do all that off camera in that time. Next clip y'all will see, we'll be riding in this thing, man. So y'all just stay tuned. Let it down, man. Finally down. Let it down.
When we coming up here, still wasting you people. It's gonna take more than that.
Alright, well, we're gonna get it started up, but I don't know if all my transmission fluid has leaked out or not. It's still got transmission fluid. I'm gonna start it up and pull it out. So y'all hold tight. Alright guys, so I'm gonna check my brake first and then we're gonna see if I can get the pull out. Alright guys, Alright man, it's back out. Everything seems fine. The brakes still feel a little spongy, man, but I don't know. They never were the best brakes in the world, so but yeah, man, we back out, and we're gonna hit a short drive, man, real short. Y'all can see we got a little smoke from the brake fluid getting on the headers, so it's burning that off. Alright man, we finally getting ready to go for this ride. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm a little concerned about these brakes. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. I'm a little concerned about them. Come on now, Iron Man, let's see. Alright, there we go. We went in reverse. But I'm a little concerned. I mean, they stopping, but you know, I hadn't driven the truck in so long, I can't even remember how the brakes felt. Can't remember if they was spongy or if they was firm or what. I can't remember, but we finna hit the G station, man. We finna get a little 93 put in this bad boy, and we gonna bust a block or two. We ain't going too far. I'm gonna be real with y'all. We ain't going too far now. I don't trust it like that yet. But we gonna bust a few corners. See what we got. New calipers on the bad boy on the front. Hey man, we might actually end up bleeding these brakes one extra time, man, cause I just ain't sure. They feel alright, but I just ain't sure. Alright y'all, we finna turn it on Ryan and head back, man. After further evaluation, the brakes feel fine, but y'all got to tune in for another video for that one. PullsTv gone.